What's up, guys? My Call of Duty here. Hey, are you guys trying to find some better sleep? If so, stay tuned. So I've been having problems sleeping, and I've been talking to my friend about this, and he told me about this Manta mask. And I was just kind of blew it off and figured, I don't want to wear a mask. But needless to say, I decided to go ahead and pick one up. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys what it's all about. Maybe you're interested in it. Maybe you're interested in finding a good night's sleep like I am. So I'm going to try it out and see what's going on. So this thing here, this Manta mask, let me go ahead and open it here. It's kind of a weird looking sleep mask. Has some eye pockets. So let's try it on. That's the first time. Oh wow. This is very soft. This was not what I was expecting. Wow. I'm very impressed with this. It's very soft on the face. The eye patches, they're just very, very soft. I mean, I was thinking something kind of hard on your face, not being able to sleep. Yeah. Well, I'm definitely really shocked with this. So I think this is going to work for me. So, let's give it a try, and then I'll get you guys back in a couple of days and let you know what I found. But yeah, I think I'm going to have some hope with this. But we'll find out. See you guys in the next video.